Hello, Mewdii people. Welcome back to yet another haul. In my defense, this is a different type of haul. And not only that, this was actually needed. Yeah, that's all I can say. Welcome to a skincare haul. So I always believe that there's no point in wearing makeup if your skin underneath isn't looking right. And my skin been acting a fool lately, so I had to do some shopping, test out some new products to see what was gonna work for me, because my skin ain't gonna keep playing me like this. So does my skin look really good though with this new foundation? So I tried the Easy Drop, Easy Tint. I don't know, the blurring skin tint from Fenty. That new foundation that they just came out with, it looks like this big, and it has like numbers like 1 through 20 or something like that. I don't know. It might be more than 20, but instead of the 300, 400 type situation, it just has 1 through like 20 something. Anyway, I just said all that to say that I just did a video on that, and I may not even have to wait a few hours to check back in because this is looking really good on me. It's lightweight, not cakey, easy to build up, nice coverage. It's not full coverage, but it's covering what needs to be covered. So yeah, but anyway, the reason we're here, if you all want to see what I got from, yet again, Sephora for the skincare haul, then keep on watching. All right, so full disclaimer, some of the stuff I couldn't wait to test out, so I did open it prior to this video. At least I remembered to bring it back so I could record the video and not have it, missing in the house somewhere. But yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing, which I already opened, is this. This is by Maraude Hydration. This is an AHA/BHA exfoliating cleanser. It is intensive triple action exfoliator with a proprietary blend of big words, y'all. I should have sounded these out before the video. Salicylic. I don't know. SALICYLIC. Lactic and glycolic acids polishes away dull, dry skin without irritation. Reveals smoother texture and a brighter, younger looking complexion. Now, I've only used this once. It was earlier this week, but it did make me feel smooth. You're only supposed to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. I typically do every other day. That just works better for me instead of trying to count 2 to 3. I know counting is simple, but every other day just works for me, okay? Don't judge me. But yeah, it had me feeling smooth, so I'm excited to keep on testing this out. I've only tested out like 2 or 3 things, and so far I haven't had any bad reactions, which is good because typically I have sensitive skin, which I should have considered before I bought all this stuff. Whatever. Okay. On to the next one. Okay, this has not been used yet. Still in the box. This is what it looks like. This is Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting Cleansing Gel. So if you have enlarged pores, imperfections, uneven tone and texture is my biggest issue along with pores. That's like my number one. And you want clean toned skin for a balanced and smooth complexion, then they are recommending this. So, what is it? A cleansing gel that exfoliates and tones with the power of hydroxy acids for a deep cleanse. Great for removing dirt and makeup, even around the eyes. This soap and sulfate-free vegan formula works on all skin types to help minimize the look of pores. What's in it for you? Oh, okay. So you just got, you got 2 sections here. Experience the power of a clean start. The right cleanser perfectly preps skin for all other products, taking your skincare regimen to the next level. Formulated with alpha beta acids and farnesol to remove impurities and wash away bacteria, plus willow bark to minimize the look of pores, this non-drying cleanser uses deep foaming action to help clear your complexion, leaving a smooth, balanced appearance. Ooh, I might use this today. Okay. Cute. Next. I have never known how to say this brand. Excuse me. Try to sound it out. Olay Henrik skin. Ciao, I don't know. This is what I got. Okay. Haven't used it yet. Obviously, it's still in the box. Glow. Why did they spell it like that? I'm trying to get what the joke is or the pun is as to why they spelled it like this, but I don't get it. It says glow, and then it has the number 2, like where you do H2O, OH. I must be, clearly science wasn't my subject. I must be just, I don't know. Glow 2 OH Dark Spot Toner. So this isn't really, you know, cleanser like cleaning the face, but obviously. Anyway, targets dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles, skin texture with high potency AHAs. Okay. Facial toner. Cool. It doesn't say anything else on it like the other ones did. Oh, it does. Transform the way you think about toner. Transform your skin. Glow 2 OH, whatever that means, dark spot toner. Supercharged with high potency AHAs, targets dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles, and smooths texture. Infused with sandalwood, chamomile, and is that licorice? I feel like that's not licorice, but I don't want to show y'all what it really is, and then y'all cloud me. No, licorice. I don't know, but it's an extract. It's gentle enough for daily use to retexturize, perfect skin surface for serum and moisturizer. Reveal a transform, refined, and youthful looking Olay glow. Okay. I'm tired of putting these big words that I don't understand. Like, come on now. I mean, not like I don't have that much of an education. I did get my bachelor's degree. You think I would know how to read and sound things out. But no. Okay, this one is not in the package, but I haven't used it yet. It's Fenty Skin. I've been having people ask me, actually quite a few people have asked me if I've used this yet, because y'all know how much I love Fenty, and I hadn't. It took me, oh my gosh, it's been, I don't want to say it's been a year since this came out, but it's been a couple months since this came out that I waited to use it, just because I was hesitant. I saw some reviews online about how it didn't really work for people who had sensitive skin because of the scent, or the fragrance rather. And at that time, I had a pretty good skin routine. I don't know what happened to it. It just decided to go to the pits and not work for me anymore. But here we are. This is why we're doing this video. So this is Fenty Skin Total Cleanser, Remove It All Cleanser. Okay, what about you? This font is so small. Hyper clean, soft skin without stripping or drying, daily cleanser and makeup remover in one. Okay, cute. I don't know if anyone else feels like this. Like when you wear makeup, you still feel like you're wearing makeup even if you do your whole skincare routine. I don't know if it's because of how heavy the makeup is, or because sometimes the cleansers seem so lightweight that it seems like they're not getting everything. But that's one thing, excuse me, that I tend to struggle with. I'm like, dang, I just want to grab some alcohol and rub it on my face. Which really you shouldn't do. Sometimes I do, I'm not gonna lie, when I feel like I need to like strip my skin and just start over. You really shouldn't do that, okay? And I know people are probably gonna be like, should we really listen to her if she used alcohol on her face? I'm not a professional, so you really don't have to listen to me, but this is my recommendation, okay? All I can do is tell you what I do and what works for me. Don't work for everybody. But yes, there are times when I take alcohol and I will use it on like my T-zone where I feel like it's really heavy and oily, and it gets the job done for me. It gets that excess stuff off, so I'm not mad at it. Next. Okay, this is something that I did use because it's out of the box. Oh, this daggone name again. Olay Hydration. I feel like I said it better the first time, but this is what I got. It is a pore balance facial sauna scrub. Volcanic sand, green fusion complex, neem seed oil, and AHAs. Oh, a lot of ingredients that I don't know what they do. And of course, I threw away the box that says all that fun stuff on it, like how the other ones did. All that's on here is the directions, so whatevs. But again, I used it. I've only used it once. That I have a bad reaction to it. I don't remember what my skin felt like, only because I used this earlier in the week. But I mean, I didn't have any breakouts, so that's always a plus. I think this is another, oh, this is a mask. Same people. Cold Plunge Pore Mask deeply purifies pores and reduces shine with clay and snow lotus extract. Boom. By Olay Henriksen. I don't think I said that right. Okay, so this mask deeply purifies and instantly diminishes the look of pores with an exhilarating chill. Inspired by Cold Plunge, the step of the Scandinavian sauna cycle, this cooling clay mask detoxifies pores and smooths skin texture. Add cool water and the mask transforms into a luxurious lather to sweep away excess oil and impurities and reveal a cool and clarified Olay glow. Okay, clearly I got a lot from them because that's literally all I see. And then, is this the last thing? Yes. And last but not least, we have another thing by them. Lemonade Smoothing Scrub. Exfoliates with AHAs and lemon peel extract. This didn't come in a box, so it doesn't have all that extra fun stuff. Like this does this and this does that. But this is what it looks like. Boom. Yeah, that was the last thing. Aside from this face mask, I mean, I can read this, but I mean, it's not really upside down. I don't know if this is really considered skincare because it's a one-use type of thing. This is a Sephora, the Hemp Mask. Mattifiant Flash, Instant Mattifier. Okay, I do like to be matte. A hemp oil hydrogel mask infused with green tea leaves mattifies skin and helps reduce excess sebum. Okay, whatever that is. With 95% ingredients from natural origin. Okay. Ingredients from natural origin. Grown in France, our hemp oil is known for its content in vitamins. It is ideal for revitalizing the skin. Our hydrogel is obtained thanks to the setting agents of natural origin. It's efficient. Mattifies skin and helps reduce excess sebum. Purifies and unifies skin for skin that is clear and feels revitalized. Okay. So this is one of those sheet masks that you take out. I don't know if you can see it right there. You take it out and place it on the skin for like 5 to 10. Yeah, leave on for 10 minutes. So, yeah. That is everything that I got. I hope that this stuff works. I really want to get my skin together because you know it's about to be summer, and when it's summertime we don't want to wear makeup every day because it be hot outside. We don't want to be sweating, and then who wears makeup to the beach? Who does that? I may put on some lashes and some eyeliner, you know, but like full face, I don't think so. I want to be confident and cute in my skin. So I need this to get it together ASAP. But thank you all so much for tuning in. I said this last time, but I mean it this time. I don't have any more hauls planned. This actually was not planned. Thanks to Amaya and Katora. Those are my two sisters. So Amaya, she's like surrogate sister, but still sister. Thanks to them, I ended up getting all this stuff because they wanted to go to Sephora. And I was like, all right, I'm only going to get skincare stuff. Clearly, I only got skincare stuff, but I got about 5-6 things. Like, come on, Morgan, you didn't have to go that hard. But I did. Go hard or go home. Anyway, thank you all so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one.